Okay folks, the sun is shining. I'm in one of the most idyllic places in Lower Largo. This is Friday Walk, number 34. And this is an amazing 2-bedroom, detached bungalow, yet like hen's teeth. Finished in extremely high standard, built around about 2019 by Lundy Homes. It has a real high quality build. Now, this could be a 3-bedroom if you want. I'll tell you more about that at the back, how one of the bedrooms formerly was a 3rd bedroom. It had actually been opened up to make a lounge and dining kitchen all along the back. Mainly south facing to the rear as well, sits in the sun all day long. I'm excited to show you this and take you on the tour. Now, for anybody that doesn't know where we are, we're sitting in a cul-de-sac now, so there's no through road in here, in this bit of Friday Walk. So you only come here if you're visiting somebody. You can get down Selkirk Park there, and then along Bourtree Brae, and down Durham Wynd, and you're straight on the Fife Coastal Path. You're a bit further forward, you're on the beach itself, golden sandy beaches, open water swimming's your thing. It's definitely going to be for you. The Ori's just there as well, brilliant cafe. And it's actually got fantastic comedy nights, usually every month. I'm usually at them. And then further along, as you go back along the harbour area in Lower Largo, you have got the Crusoe Hotel, which is a fantastic restaurant, and then next door you've got the Railway Tavern and a convenience store in between. Okay, let me take you on the tour and show you around this property. Here we are right here, so plenty of street parking to the front here. You've got an integrated garage as well. You've actually got a laundry area to the rear, and we're going to see that when we get in there. Just in that gate you can get access into the rear garden, but you can, all the way around here you can see, as you can see, and there's where your plot stops all the way around. So there's your front garden all the way along. You've got off-street parking here as well in your driveway, and your integrated garage. First thing I see when I walk in this door is the composite door. Always a winner, tells you about the build quality and how well it's been finished inside. As we come in, one of the things I love about this, nice reception hall as we come in. You see the coving up the top as well. Some builders try to cut back on that, but they've spared no expense when they built this property originally. And then you've got solid wood doors, you've got your chrome fittings as well, all the way throughout. Off to my right hand side here, first of all, as I go in. This is the main living room. To the front, as we saw, these triple windows to the front here. So you've got that Georgian style ceiling up there, sunk in a wee bit, and the triple windows, and you've got a window to the side which brings in plenty natural light all the way around here. And I'll show you some different angles so you can get a perspective on depth as we go round, and then from this angle as well, over into here. This is a big room, definitely. So perfect for entertaining family and friends, or just sitting relaxing. But I've got a funny feeling, wait till you see the kitchen at the back, the dining kitchen and the lounge at the back. It's just probably going to tip you over and blow you away. Okay, so first double bedroom off to the front here. So plenty of storage in these mirror wardrobes over there. That looks like a king size bed, so this is a big room. And then across into our luxury 4-piece bathroom. As you'll see, nicely finished. You've got that sink and WC in your bath to the rear there. And then you've got your shower enclosure with thermostatic shower overhead. Love that tiling. Okay, over to this side, integrated cupboard for storage. Over this side, another cupboard for storage. You go into your master bedroom, which is off to the rear of the property, which literally sits in the sun all day long. I'll just close this door so you see a bit more in here. Overall, so as we come in and go round, that looks like a super king in terms of the size. So again, it gives you a perspective of the size of the room. And then you've got a tripled mirrored wardrobe there for storage and a sneak peek at the back garden. That's amazing, eh? We're sitting round about 12 o'clock, so the sun's sitting almost directly on us. Off to the rear here of the master bedroom, you've got your own ensuite shower room. Again, finished in a good standard here. And then you've got your shower enclosure and your sink. I love the solid wood skirtings and facings and doors in here. Now, as we walk through into the main dining kitchen. So one of the things I noticed straight away with the dining kitchen, it is absolutely massive. It goes right along the back of the house. This is where I was talking about the 3rd bedroom. Now in some of these houses, they've actually got, this is a 3rd bedroom. So this is a stud wall, and they've got cupboard coming, they've got a doorway coming in from the main hall itself. But this was opened up originally when it was built in order to make it a big open plan lounge and dining kitchen overall. I'm no surprised, because when you think about it, if you look at the fact that it's south facing, you're probably going to want to spend most of your time in the sun when it comes out, when it does come out. And I tell you what, when it comes out in style. Now off to the side here, this is integrated garage, so you can get access into here, but you've got your laundry area here as well with your sink and space for a tumble dryer, and you've always got space for your washing machine, and you've got your condenser system boiler there, access out to the side path there as well. But this is a huge space. You can clearly see you're going to spend most of your time here. Just imagine entertaining family and friends here as well. Everybody around at New Year and stuff like that. It's a huge space, isn't it? Yeah, I would spend most of my time here, definitely. Okay, let's talk about the kitchen and integrated appliances. So, fridge and freezer, double oven, eye level, and you've got an induction hob and extractor above. You've also got a dishwasher under counter and a 1.5 bowl sink. Now, this is what I said to you about this. This is why you're going to spend most of your time sitting here. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you hear the birds? This is literally what it's like most of the time. So peaceful. Now what I love about this garden as well, it's actually got cherry trees, apple trees, pear tree. So this could be, this could give you quite a harvest once it starts to go. And I think there's a couple of brambles about there as well, blackberries in there as well, and gooseberries. Perfectly positioned obviously for the sun. As I said, we're sitting round about 12 o'clock. We're almost south facing, set right there in front of me. So we're just off of that just now, and it's probably just in time to come round to that point in time. So the sun's going to come up over here, it's going to sit in this garden all day long and all the way around here and go down over here somewhere. So you might actually want to develop that to a wee bit of decking at the bottom for the evening. Your evening cocktails, and cocktails and champagne in the evening. Brilliant, isn't it? And then that's the gate to the side that you can get access into. Let's take a wee seat and just recap about the area and the property itself. I'm probably going to sit here all day long, by the way, once I sit down. Why wouldn't you? It's literally... I keep saying to people, welcome to God's country, and I mean it. It's absolutely idyllic here. It's beautiful. It's going to be I would be here all day sunbathing, to be honest. Definitely. That's not a sight you want to see though. Okay, let's talk and recap about the property itself. You can see that, a 2-bedroom bungalow. Finished in extremely high standard. It can be a 3-bedroom. I've just explained to you off the kitchen how that's been repurposed into a lounge area, but it could easily be put back to another bedroom if you wanted to. You've got that integrated garage to the side with a laundry to the rear, and you can see, as I said before, it was finished at a high standard. Just round the corner you can get access down Selkirk Park, and then you can get onto Bourtree Brae, down Dumberwind. You're at the Fife Coastal Path, you're straight onto the beach. Your open water swimming's your thing, if sailing's your thing, if kayaking's your thing, and it's definitely going to be here. That's a definite. You've got the Ori, which is a fantastic wee cafe area, and it runs fantastic comedy and music nights and other events that go on at the Ori as well. Further back along the Fife Coastal Path into the harbour, you've got the Crusoe Hotel, which is a great restaurant and pub, and then across the road from that you've got the Railway Tavern. In between, convenience store as well. Fantastic local primary school here. High school is at Wade Academy, which is just along in Antril itself. If running's your thing, this is going to be a great run route. I run out there to Ely and back on the Fife Coastal Path often. and that's a great run route. It's a great walking route as well. If you've got dogs or you've got pets, it's an ideal position for them as well. The no-through road in the cul-de-sac is a great bonus because you're only going to come here if somebody's visiting you or if you actually live here. So it's going to be nice and peaceful and quiet. Just listen to that for a minute. Wow. Okay, there's further details on this post about pictures and descriptions. If that's what you want to see, just click on the link above or below. If you need more details, you can message us direct here, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV. Bye bye for now.